Dear children, it is a lesson-based assessment material of 2025-26 mathematics subject of class 10. Now let us solve one mark questions, objective type questions. The question is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Question number 29 up to 28, the questions are multiple choice questions. Now let us take the question number 29. Express 140 as a product of prime numbers. Express 140 as a product of prime numbers. Write the number 140. Now the first prime number is 2. Try to divide it by 2. Check whether it is divisible by 2 or not. The unit digit is 0. So it is an even number. Then you can divide it by 2. It is divisible by 2. Divide 140 by 2. 2. You take 14 first because 1 is smaller than 2. You can't take 1. Then you write. Then you take 14. 2 7s are 14. 2 zeros are 0. Next. Again it is divisible by 2 because the unit digit is 0. Then you write 2 3s are 6 because 7 is not there in the table 2. So you have to take 6. 2 3s are 6. 1 is remaining. 1 0 10 it becomes. 2 5s are 10. Now you got 35 here. 35 is not divisible by 2 because it is an odd number. The unit digit is 5. Then you divide it by Try to divide it by 3. Check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 8 is not in the table 3. Therefore, 35 is also not in the table 3. You can't divide it by 3. Then you try it by 5. The unit digit is 5. So, it is divisible by 5. Then you divide it by 5. 5 7s are 7 ones are. So, you got the prime factors of 140 are 2 into 5 into 7, which is equals to 2 square into 5 into 7. Then you can write 140 is equals to 2 square into 5 into 7. Here 2 occurs 2 times. So, you write 2 square into 5 into 7. Next question, question number 30. State the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. What is the statement? Every composite number can be expressed or factorized as a product of primes. Every composite number can be factorized or expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. So what is the statement of the fundamental theorem of arithmetic? Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Next question, question number 31. If the HCF of the numbers 24 and 36 is 12, then find their LCM. Here again we have to use the relation between H into L and A into B. So you know that H into L equals A into B. Here what we have to find out? We have to find out LCM. You know that H into L equals A into B. Write the relation H into L equals A into B. What we have to find out? We have to find the LCM. Means we have to find out LCM means L. L is equals to what? A into B by H. You can write A and B as a small letter also. A into B. Then here the numbers are 24 and 36. HCF of the numbers is there, means 24 and 24 into 36, that divided by h is 12, so you write 12, and this both 24 and 36 are in the table 12, so you divide any one number. 12 ones are, then 12 threes 36, 24 threes 72. So what is the answer? 72 is the answer. That is the LCM. Then you can write LCM equals 72. Then you take the question number 32. Express 96 as a product of prime factors. So again we have to factorize it. Write 96. First prime number is 2. Divide it by 2. You know that it is an even number as the unit digit is 6. So it is divisible by 2. Divide. And 9 is not in the table 2. Its previous number 8 is there. 2 4s are 8. 1 6 means 16. 2 8s are 16. Then again 8 is in the unit place. It is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 2 4s are. Next 2 1s are 2 2s are. Then 2 6s are. 2 3s are. Then 3 itself is a prime number. Then you take 3. So you got 96 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times 2 occurs here. Then you write 96 equals, then 96 equals 2 power. How many times 2? 5 times 2 power 5 into 3. This is the product of prime factors. Then you take the next number, question number 33. Express 156 as a product of prime factors. Follow the same method. Write 156. So first prime number is 2. You know that it is an even number as the unit digit is 6. Divide it by 2 and you take 15 because 1 is smaller than 2. So 15 is not there in the table 2. So take its previous number 14. 2 7s are 14 and 15 minus 14 means 1 is remaining. 1 6 means 2 8s are 16. Again you got the even number as the unit digit is 8. Then 2 3s are 6. Here 7 is there. 7 is not divisible by 2. Its previous number 6 is divisible by 2. So then 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 8. 18. 2 9s are 18. Then 39 you got. And you know that 39 is not divisible by 2 as the unit digit is 9. So it is an odd number. Then try to divide it by 3. Then 3 plus 9. 12 you got. And 12 is divisible by 3. Therefore 39 is also divisible by 3. Then you divide it by 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. You know that 13 3s are 39. Then 13 itself is a prime number. Right? 13 1s are 13. You got the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, that is 2 power 2 into 3 into 13. Then you write 156 equals 2 power 2 into 3 into 13. 3 into 13. This is the product of prime factors to get 156. Next question number 34. If 200 equals 2 power m into 5 power n, then find the value of m and n. Again you factorize 200. Express it as a product of prime factors. Take 200. 200. Divide it by the first prime number 2. 2 1s are 2. Again 2 50s are 2 5s are 10. Then 2 25s are 50. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 2 25s are 50. Then it is divisible by 5, not by 3, because 5 plus 2 is equals to 7, which is not divisible by 3. Therefore 25 is also not divisible by 3. Then you try it by 5. as the unit digit is 5, it is divisible by 5. You know that 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are. So you got that 200 equals 2 power 3 into 5 power 2. 2 power 3 into 5 power 2. So in the place of m you got 3. Then you can write m equals 3. And in the place of n you got 2. Therefore n equals 2. Question number 35. Find the maximum length of the rod which can measure the rods of length 24 meter and 36 meter exactly. Here you have to find the HCF of 24 and 36. That measurement becomes the maximum length of the rod to measure the rods of the length 24 meter and 36 meter. Factorize and find the HCF. First number is 24 is there. Factorize it. 24. You know that it is divisible by 2. 2 12s are. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 6s are. Again 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are. Then 3 1s are. You write 24 equals 2 into 2 into 2 is there. 2 power 3 into 3. The next number is 36. Factorize it. 36. You know that 36 is an even number. It is divisible by 2. 2 1s are. 1 is remaining. 1 6 means 2 8s are. 2 18s are 36. Again you can divide by 2. 2 9s are. Then 9 is not divisible by 2. So you divide it by 3. 3 3s are. 3 1s are. So you got that 36 equals 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. 2 power 2. 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. Here HCF is, for HCF we have to consider the common factor. 2 is common. 2 power 3 is there. 2 power 4 is there. We have to take the common factor with least power. So 2 power 2. Here 3 is greater than 2. So we have to take 2. 2 power 2. Then 3 is there. 3 square is there. Means 3 is the common factor. The least power is 3. Here 3 power 1. 3 means 3 power 1. We have to take this 3 power 1. 3. That equals 2 power 4 is 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 2 is 2 into 2 4 into 3 which is equals to 12. So 12 is the HCF. That is the maximum length of the rod which can measure the rods of length 24 and 36 meter. You write HCF equals 12. Maximum length of rod should be, right? Maximum length of rod can measure 24 meter and 36 meter is 12 meter. So you take 12 meter. Maximum length of the rod which can measure the rods of length 24 meter and 36 meter exactly is 12 meter. Next question number 36. Write the number which has only 7 and 3 as its prime factors. Directly you can write the answer. The product of these two becomes the number which has only the two factors. So you write, what is the answer? 7 into 3 equals 21. Then what is the answer? 21 is the number which has only two factors 7 and 3. Right. 21 is the number which has only factors or which has only 7 and 3 as prime factors. Next question number 37. Observe the given factor tree. Find the value of x and y. Here what is the number given? 40. 40 is equals to 2 into 20. Then x is there, x into 10 and 2 into y. Here you can find out that 10 2s are 20, so it must be 2. And 2 5s are 10, it must be 5. So x must be 2 and y must be 5. You can factorize it again. 40, 2 20s are, then you can take 2 10s are, then 2 5s are. So here in the second step x into 10 is there. Here in the second step 2 into 10 is there. So in the place of x, what is there? 2. Then in the third step 2 into y is there. Therefore y must be equals to 5. So what are the values of x and y? Here x equals 2 and y equals 5. So you write x equals 2, y equals 5.